You know, it's 30 degrees out. It's a great day to come out to the flat top and make some breakfast, but I just don't have any ideas. If only someone would just drop me a comment of something I could possibly make. Oh, look at that. Jake from State Farm. What's up, man? Love the channel. Love you too. I'd like to see a Denver omelet or any omelet. Cool. Let's do my take on a Denver omelet on today's episode of Fatty's Feast. Let's get started. What's going on, everyone? My name is Josh. Thank you so much for tuning in to Fatty's Feast. Hope you're all doing splendid. It's really cold out here. I think it's like 28 here in Connecticut. So this is a perfect day to come out here and make a quick recipe like an omelet on the griddle. And I keep asking my subscribers and viewers for ideas. This is the first one I'm finally doing. It's taking me a while, but like I said, quick recipe. We're going to get it going right now. Got my 3 zones here on a medium heat. First step is going to be a little bit of oil. Now, I prepped all my veggies the other day, but we're going to start off with some minced onion or diced onion. I'm just going to do like a handful-ish. I'm really bad at putting too many vegetables in something folded like a quesadilla or an omelet. So that looks about good right there. Actually, maybe a little bit more. See, this is where I go wrong. And that was about 1/4 of an onion. Next, we're going to do some green pepper. Putting some good pinches down of that. Right about there. That looks good. And traditionally, that is what a Denver omelet has for veggies. I'm going to throw down some jalapenos because it's my recipe. I can do what I want. Seeds are in on this as well. Got to have the seeds in. Let's season this up with some pepper. Pinch of salt. Got a fresh stick of butter here. I'll put a little knob on here. And I have my other tool here because I don't like dirtying tools. So I'll just give this a nice stir. I'm going to let this cook down until it's getting a little bit transparent. Just sweat it down a bit. Get some of that moisture out. And like I said, this is just on a medium heat. Put that right here. Let it do its thing. Now, technically on an omelet, you don't have to cook the veggies down. I like to. Like I said, I think it takes some of that moisture out and gives it a nice little crust, and you just have some more time instead of just throwing raw veggies into a pile of egg and hoping for the best. So this is the way I do it. I highly recommend it. It takes a little more time, but you will love it. All right, 3 jumbo white eggs. I'm just gonna crack these bad boys into a bowl here, and I'll throw the shells out for the raccoons. Now keep in mind, when you are cracking eggs into a bowl for something like this, you wanna wait as long as you can before you stir them. And the reason for that is the egg's gonna break down. You don't want that to happen. I also wouldn't put any seasoning in there either because that will break the egg down as well. So these are coming along very nicely. Like I said, I'm in no rush here. I'm just letting these sweat down a little bit. And the more we let them sweat down, the better. Like I said at the beginning of the video, welcome and hope you're all doing well. If it's your first time checking out our channel, be sure to hit the like button, share this video with other people out on the platform that enjoy cooking as much as you do. Please subscribe if you feel inclined. Also leave comments, just like Jake from State Farm did. Hope that's not the real Jake from State Farm, but leave comments like Jake did to tell us what you want us to make in future videos. If you're a returning subscriber, as always, I love you. Thank you for coming back. So for our protein, I have some premium domestic ham. Yay. That's what a Denver omelet has. This is just deli ham. It's nothing special. So I'm going to throw this in and incorporate it with the other veggies and give it a nice crisp. So this is just 2 pieces of ham I'll throw down. And what I'll do is I'll take this, try to chop it up. That's why I love this tool. And then I can just incorporate it like so. That'll get all those flavors together. This tool is great for not only cleaning your griddle, but incorporating things and chopping things and all sorts of stuff. I can chop with this too, but that's just a lot funner. It's like they do in hibachi. We'll spread it out a little bit, and we'll just keep stirring that. But I'm going to move it over here so we can throw our egg down. Actually, I'm going to turn these zones down a little bit for my egg zone. All right, now that I'm ready for my egg, I can start to stir it up, get everything incorporated. And I've done eggs on the griddle before, but for new people, it's very simple. Just gonna throw a touch of oil down, and then I'm just gonna slowly pour it right here. And yeah, it's gonna go down toward that side. That's okay. So I'm just going slow. Not gonna be the prettiest omelet in the world, probably. That's okay. Now that I have my base, I can pour it on top. I'm trying to keep it in sort of like a circle, but that doesn't always work out. Oh no, you come back. As long as we got some kind of fixture here, looks pretty good. It's a little bit difficult because you're not doing it in a pan, but you can still make it work. Just trying to keep everything sorted in one place. No, stay out. Stay out. We're not ready to incorporate you yet. There we go. Not as pretty as it could be, but that'll do. Let's throw down some salt. Not too much, because we already have some on the veggies. And some pepper. Now notice, I'm seasoning it after I put it down. One thing I forgot I was gonna do was throw down some toast. Wheat toast. Good for diabetes, sort of. Now people don't usually flip their omelets. I just want to see what we're looking like. That looks good. I'm going to throw down 2 pieces of American cheese. Just like that. Then I'm going to take my fillings, lay it right on top. And it's simple as this, people. It's really so easy. And then I can take this, close it up. And look at that. That looks gorgeous. I love it. Oh, that was dumb. What did I do that for? Jeez. All right, let's take this off. And that's how quick eggs cook on the griddle. That's huge. Look at that. Wow. Got my toast here. Let it soak up some of this butter. There we go. Looks good. Give it a few more seconds and then we'll be good to go. And this looks good. Let's take it off. So now what I'll do is I'll throw my toast right on my plate. And then to finish this bad boy off, let's do some pepper, because why not? And I love me, once in a while, some chives. Chives are great in an omelet. I wish I had sour cream, but and that sounds weird, but trust me, sour cream on an omelet is delicious. I'm gonna throw a little bit of butter on my toast too, even though it's extremely hard. That's what she said. Actually, you know what? I'm throwing my toast back on the flat top with some butter, just to soak all that in. Because toast without butter, it's not necessary. Now this flat top's still hot enough that this will work, so. Now take a look at this, ladies and gentlemen. That looks delicious. Let's give it a try. This is one hefty omelet. This is like ridiculous. I'm just gonna cut down the middle so you guys can see maybe a cross section. So here we go. It's not as like gooey and cheesy as you'd think it'd be because of the veggies, but that's fine because I don't want just cheese. I could have probably done 3 pieces of cheese, honestly. But let me start right here. Just one piece. I'm just trying one piece and I'm going inside. Oh, that's good. Now, sometimes typically I put salsa on here too. I've been eating a lot of salsa with my eggs lately, so I'm sort of sick of it. But, oh, wow. This is great, guys. Jake from State Farm, you're the best. Thank you so much. Crap. All right, I'm just gonna, I lied. I'm gonna do one more piece. I'm gonna put it on my toast here, because it's gotta be fair. I gotta try everything. If I can make this work. There we go. All right. That hurt. Oh, my bottom lip is chapping. Every time I open my mouth up wide, it splits more, so it's very annoying. Oh, that's so good. I'm gonna go eat this before it gets really, really cold. But thank you once again, everyone, for checking out another episode of Fatty's Feast. If you found value in today's video, please get this video out to more people. Subscribe if you feel inclined, and talk to us. I love talking to you guys. You're the best. Until next time, everyone, stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy, stay tubby.